What's up mga momshies? Rafi here with the crisis, and today it's sunny here in Lebanon, and today is the Muqtara Day. This is the event where the PSP party will be going to celebrate and commemorate the death of the previous year. So we're going to join them. And we are here. Time check, 5 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna move now because there's going to be a lot of people on the road. So let's see. We are already here, and there you go, the Baba and the kids. Yeah. Nura got sick on the car, so she's not well much. Ayan na, dumarating na yung mga tao. Yes.
قد الساعة تخيل 7:30 يمشوا من هنا من البواص.
Time check, it's 6:40 in the morning. We're still waiting for Velasco stations to walk. It's maybe 1 kilometer and a half, so probably more than an hour, or might gonna take an hour for walk. Kahit kasi kami meron silang makilala na nasakit sila sa car, kaya mabilis kami nakarating. But yeah. So we're just waiting for them. Guys are here. We're gonna go inside. It's going to be a big place inside. So here's each inside and see it.
One hour later.
Stick for one. Yeah, Mom. This is the black tie. Be positive. Be plus.
Look what my dad. Be plus. Dad has A+.
His dad had A+. You?
0+.
What's her black tie?
Ayan, nagutom na siya. Buti nagdala ako ng itlog. It's okay, baby. Drink water. Slowly, drink water. Slowly. Ayan. Oops. Very good. Ayan, kung makikita nyo dito sa clip na to, yung screen na lang ang kinukuhanan ko. Kasi sobrang dami na ng tao. Hindi na namin nagawang makaalis kung saan kami nagstay for a moment. Dahil biglang dagsa ng tao. Hindi na rin kami makapasok sa loob dahil sobrang dami na. Ayan, tapos na yung speech ng leader nila, and here we go. Pababa na ulit kami kung saan kami nag-park. And it will take us maybe about 1.5 hours to reach there. So yung mga bata, we'll try to put them on a bus or any transportation that we can get for them para hindi ganun kainit. Ayan, there you go. That castle is where we came from. still didn't reach the entrance point.
Nagtay mo.
Yung mga tao.
Ay, mas.
Nakarating na kami dito sa sasakyan. We reach where we parked the car and the people's at ang dami pa rin naglalakad. Ayan, traffic na. Ganun mo. Or tapay muna kami kasi ang init ng sasakyan sobra. Napagod. Napagod si Papa. Ayaw pa nila lumakad. Yung bus. Ito yung mga bus dito. Yung mga lumang bus sa probinsya, ganyan. Ayan. Sa kanila, ito yung tinatawag nilang jeep. This is the jeep here, right? This is the type of the jeep. Ayan, sa kanila dito. Dito sa Lebanon, yan ang pinaka-jeep nila. Etong parang minibus na to. And here, we are on our way back home. And along the way, pinaalala ko kay Firas na dumaan kami doon sa Manakish Bakery na pinagbilhan namin before nung mag-hiking kami dito sa may Baruch area. Sabi niya, yes, of course, kasi gutom na kami lahat. Hindi kami nakapag-breakfast at wala pa rin kaming lunch. So, we're going there to have a stop and eat our brunch. Yeah, Mama, come here. Woo. فطاير.
شوف فطاير سبانخ.
ايه
عندك فطاير سبانخ؟ لا. كشك. وحدة كشك، وحدة كوكتيل، شو صار نورة؟
جبنة.
وفيك تعملي وحدة صغيرة جبنة؟ يا مكرم شو بدك؟ أنا بدي كوكتيل، بدك مثلي؟ يلا لكن 2 كوكتيل، وحدة جبنة صغيرة ووحدة كشك. أنت شو؟ أنت بس كشك؟
ايه We come here before?
What do we now?
Habang kumakain kami, hinihintay na rin namin at the same time yung grupo na galing sa village nila Habibi. Ito yung convoy ng mga sasakyan na galing sa place namin, which is sasamahan na rin namin along the way. Iikot to sa buong village just to show everyone that we are the one who represents the town or the village for this celebration. Ayan, umiikot na kami sa buong village. So here, dito sa video na to, kung nakita nyo may naghagis ng bigas, ang sabi ni Habibi, blessing daw yon sa mga taong nag-participate. At ito ang ganap ng buong pamilya maghapon. Kahit nakakapagod, sobrang sulit naman dahil nag-enjoy kami lahat. Lalo na si Nura, nung nag-iikot na kami sa buong village. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel. Also click the bell button for you to be able to get our newly uploaded videos. See you all on the next video. God bless you all guys. Bye!